Hello, welcome back. My life is Mathlearn channel. Today we will discuss about shortest distance between line and a curve. Basic concept. Shortest distance always lie along a common normal. The shortest distance between the curve and a line is a distance between the common normal between line and curve. Common normal means it is a perpendicular to the both curve and line. Condition for shortest distance. The tangent at a point of contact must be parallel, then m1 is equal to m2. Working formula. So it is a distance between the point and line. We can take it as a. So what is the formula for distance between the line and point? Let's look here. Working formula. The perpendicular distance d is equal to ax1 by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. So it is a point and line distance formula. Example problem for board. Find shortest distance between y is equal to x square and y is equal to x minus 2. The slope of line m is equal to 1. The slope of line m is equal to 1 and the slope of tangent form on a point is m is equal to dy by dx. So y is equal to x square, the slope dy by dx is equal to 2x. So here dy by dx is equal to 1 already given to us. So you can submit. After submitting you will get 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. You have to submit in the equation y is equal to x square. So y is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. There is equal to y is equal to 1 by 4. Now point on the curve P 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. The distance from P to line x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now apply distance formula. D is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 by square root of a square plus b square, square root of 2. There is equal to, after calculation we will get 7 by 4 root 2.
JEE 2024 question. Find the shortest distance between y square is equal to 8x, a line y is equal to x plus 6. Slope of line y is equal to x plus 6 is equal to m is equal to 1, which means dy by dx. The differential curve. So y square is equal to 8x, 2y by dash is equal to 8. So y dash is equal to 4 by y. So 4 by y is equal to 1 because dy by dx is equal to 1. So y is equal to 4. Point on the curve. 4 square is equal to 8x, x is equal to 2. The distance from P 2, 4 and x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. So d is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 6 by square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. That is equal to 4 by root 2. SD is equal to 2 root 2. After cancellation we will get. Next, JEE 2021 circle and line. Question. Shortest distance between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 and x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here you need to find just center to line distance after remove the radius. So center is 0, 0, radius 3 and distance from the center to line is equal to d is equal to 0 minus 5 by square root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. There is equal to 5 by root 2. So the formula SD is equal to d minus r. So SD is equal to 5 root 2 by minus 3. So the solution is SD is equal to 5 minus 3 root 2 by root 2.
JEE Mains 2023 symmetric curves. The question: shortest distance between the y square is equal to x minus 2 and x square is equal to y minus 2. This curve symmetric about y is equal to x. So slope of tangent is equal to m is equal to 1 and y square is equal to x minus 2, 2y dash is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 2. The point P is equal to 2.25, comma 0.5. We will get after calculation. The distance P to x minus y is equal to 0. D. SD is equal to 2 into D. So 7 by 4 root 2. Thank you for all. Please subscribe our channel